Thanks for calling us, Jeff. All right. The lowers are in. You ready to go?
Absolutely.
IDs, please. Hold on. Yeah. Hippie in that picture.
There's a lot more hair in that picture.
So there you go. Thank you, gentlemen. Pleasure doing business with you.
We didn't sign anything else?
Nope, you're done. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Mr. Mao.
Theodore, thank you.
Jeff, let's go put this together.
All right, let's do it. Russ is here and he's listening to you, as is my camera guy.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Well, this guy is the troublemaker of the industry.
We are building a couple AR pistols and we are making a video about the process because I'm a movie star. Almost. All right. So now we got a trigger and safety. So now I'm caught up to you. Let's see, so for me, I have my spring and the detent for the takedown pin is not captured. Let's just start with. So now it's snug, so it's gonna hold. What do you think? When it starts to bend, it's snug enough. Okay, and now it's your turn. Loctite, I find the best, the stick of Loctite works the best. Then slide the plate forward, like that. The plate slides forward and makes contact. And that should sit in a recess spot, and then tighten that down. It's like a little puzzle. It's gonna slip, right? So I'm actually using my hand to steady everything. Okay, then we're gonna take our spring, this open, then take your stock. Okay, we take our bolt.
Fancy unboxing. Really nice packaging and pretty functional. Easy to open.
All right, there's a pin right here. Grab it and pull it with your fingernail, or you can use something. Grab it and pull it out. Then go like this, and the firing pin will come out. Once the firing pin is out, rotate, and now you can pull that thing out. Okay, and then that guy comes off. This is your extractor on your bolt. See this pivot point right here, that pin?
Yep.
If I press and hold that down, I can take my firing pin, push that all the way through, pull that out, and that bad boy comes off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 coils. This is a 4 coil spring. So there's a buffer that is inserted inside the spring. Like this. So the next thing, I'm gonna go get a Geisley reaction rod. This thing goes in here and it seats into the chamber lugs.
Okay.
So the way this works, Russ, is it has to be timed correctly. These holes have to be in the right spot. There's this mark right here, and I want that straight down as a right-handed shooter. So I probably want it to get hand tight right about there. So what I do, put a shim on. So this is an aim point T1 optic. and I'm putting it on the LaRue mount. And pull it back. We're gonna get our sling. Buckle is gonna be out. When it's all the way open, you want it to hang pretty loose, almost too loose. And then all the way closed, it's nice and tight. You ready to go shoot?
Yeah, let's go shoot him.
Reload is going to look like. Grab goes off, it locks to the rear. I index, I come back, and I strip it. Grab my new mag, come up, and I can, with that finger, hit it. Again, up. I index, I strip, new mag, hit the paddle. Okay? That's the center of your group right there. So we want to move that over and up.
But it's fun. Safety is annoying.
What's annoying about the safety?
I forget about it.
So
all
you
the time.
can get an ambidextrous safety, which for you probably would be a reasonable thing to do. What some lefties do is they will just grip the gun like this. And they shoot like that. Does that make sense? But you just need to practice, right? You just need to work dry fire, ready position 500 times and it won't be a problem for you.